Hey guys, welcome to the channel Marzu Digital Learning and welcome to the Hindu newspaper analysis in Manipuri. Ngasi December date 2 Thursday numit ki newspaper analyze to bahurasi ahan topic asidi GST collection surge in November. GST collection hit 1,31,526 crore in November, the second highest since it was implemented in July 2017 and the second most in the row that collection have crossed 1.3 lakh crore. GST good and service tax collection se handaki November tha sida 1,31,526 crore oeba. GST collection implement tawrakpadagi second highest November tha gi GST oina sina oeba. GST implementation tawrakpase July 2017 dagi GST implementation se tawba hobani magi handaki revenue check sida laire. Ahan bagi sina blue sina 2020 gi and orange sina 2021 gi neba. Blue se ekhoi handaki 2021 gi April dana khwaidagi highest revenue collection oiba GST collection se and 2021 gi November dana second highest revenue collection oi. Gentarni ko next topic amuk tawrasi. Next topic se Central Vista project of national importance. Central Vista project se national importance ni haiba. Kaigino yangasi government justifies ongoing construction work. The government said on Wednesday that the Central Vista project is of national importance and work on it is continuing even as the construction ban reimposed by the Supreme Court is in place in the capital. The Urban Affairs Minister in its affidavit assured the Supreme Court that the project to build a new parliament building and Central Vista Avenue do not cause any pollution. Current news se kaino haragadi handaki kharani mamangda Supreme Court na capital da construction kharani gi ban taweba. Ben tawrisigi maramdi air pollution se hengalakpadagini. News ta numit khudinge uri se khona Delhi da severe poor quality air quality and air condition gi amna severe magi condition lairabaneba. Sigi maramna Supreme Court na asagi construction se ban tawbaneba. But Central Vista projects se haiba Central Vista projects haibadi parliament anauba sabase se lepte Supreme Court na ban tawkhibagi matungda su lepteba. Government na hai madudi Central Vista projects se national importance ni haina and maram sina thabak chathaba lepoi thabak chathagani haina. Amarom dana asagi Urban Affairs Minister sina affidavit ta mu hairameba. Affidavit se piraga hairami Supreme Court ta madu Central Vista projects na koi sagatpada pollution kem thokhandina. Central Vista project se kaino magi project se yengasi. Central Vista project, why recently many former bureaucrats have opposed the Central Vista redevelopment project. Redevelopment project ta kharani mamang da su bureaucrats mayam amana thingi ko ado sidi khitang kuire ado haji ki haragadi amuk sagalakpasineba construction laptop basine ben tauna. The Union Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs proposed a Central Vista redevelopment project in 2019. The project envisages construction triangular parliament building next to the existing one. Central Vista project se Union Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs na proposed to bani 2019 da. Construction to basina triangle gi shape ta haipet oiba parliament building sa bahanagi leiriba parliament adugi hek thangnana. Constructing common central secretariat se punna nakna pulapna saminaba. Revamping of the 3-kilometer long Rashtrapati Bhavan to India Gate. Rashtrapati Bhavan dagina India Gate phawbada 3 kilometer neba. 3 kilometer sigi manungda sangna construct tawba asineba. Anauba project se da yawrise. North and South to be repurposed as museum. North and South sagi hanagi leirambasing se hanagi parliament hanagi block to secretary block to aduduna museum onthokpa. Secretariat block to aduna museum onthokpa. The government argument for revamping Central Vista. Government na ekhigi Central Vista project se kari gi sagali no magi kari reason no moina kari argument tawi. The parliament buildings facilities and infrastructure are inadequate to meet the current demand. हानगी लेरमिबा पार्लियामेंट की बिल्डिंग की फैसिलिटीज एंड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर सिना हजिकी डिमांड से फुलफिल तौबा ngamdeba. Second, the offices of the central government are spread over different locations, which affect the interdepartmental coordination and unnecessary travel, leading to congestion and pollution. Central government की office mayam se different location da layaba. Sigi maram na department mayam se matam chanu coordinate tauba ngamdaba office amadagi amada chatpa matam da unnecessary travel tauba sigumba darkar tarayaba. Sigi maram na matam mangi and plus pollution su oihaleba. Next, most of the existing building have outlived their structural lives. Magi structural lives to building ayambadi matam kuireba. Sigi maram na suneba. Central Vista project. कोई Central Vista हाना हजी की अनौब सिनतब हाने की Central Vista से सिना कमाइन तौबनो. Currently the Central Vista of New Delhi houses Rashtrapati Bhavan, Parliament House, North and South Block, India Gate, National Archives, among others. Current lairiba hanagi Central Vista sina asida yawrise kai kaino haragadi Rashtrapati Bhavan, Parliament House, North and South Block, sigi North and South Block sineba hoji museum on thokani aise. India Gate, National Archives and other National Archive haibasina ikoi gi hanagi record mayam ama thampam do, hanagi history gi record mayam ama thampam do adu duneba Government of India egaina iriba koliba mayam che jang thampam do National Archives sida thamba neba. In December 1911, King George V made an announcement in Delhi Darbar, a grand assembly, to shift the capital of India from Calcutta to Delhi. December 1911 da sin history ki inquiry se King George V na Delhi Darbar da announce tawi madudi India ki capital se Calcutta dagi Delhi da shift tawna bahaina. And next sina Delhi Darbar was hosted to make the coronation of King George V. The task of constructing a new city was given to Edwin Lutyens, known for his strong adherence and European classicism, and Herbert Baker, a prominent architect in the South Africa. New city though there is Delhi constructed bagi taksina Edwin Lutyens and Herbert Baker sida sineba. Edwin Lutyens sina koige European classicism gi strong adherence amani, and Herbert Baker sina architect neba South Africa gi. The Parliament Houses building was designed by both Lutyens and Baker. Parliament House building sina makoi ani mangna design tau baneba Lutyens ka and Herbert kya. And Rashtrapati Bhavan was designed by Edwin Lutyens. Rashtrapati Bhavan sina Edwin Lutyens sina design tawi. The secretariat was, which include the both North and South Block, was designed by Herbert Baker. Secretariat sina North and South Block se Herbert Baker na design tawi ba. Haujiki Central Vista project sina yo a plan to redevelop the 3-kilometer long stretch from Rashtrapati Bhavan to India Gate. Rashtrapati Bhavan dagina India Gate phawba magi block macha sagalai se include new Parliament building house laire sida common Central Vista Central Secretariat laire mayam gi pulapna, and the new residences for Prime Minister and Vice President gi Prime Minister ga residency nakan da laire, and new building for PMO gi new building sida laire ba. Raksha Bhavan naina hek changpak laire India Gate na sida laire ba. Magi estimated cost se 20,000 crore ni hai, sidagi helak pa yai tarak pa yai matam gi matung inna. Next topic yang asi. Next topic sina draft NCR regional plan to be published for feedback. Draft NCR regional plan be published. Draft NCR regional plan se publish taurakani feedback launa magi damak si draft de sem gre ado approve su tawgre ba. National Capital Regional sise Central Board sina approve su tawbudi tawkhre adu itaraga su amuhana feedback tawna bagi publish tawrakani hai ba. NCR to shrink in size, grow in height. NCR se size da pikhal naga aduga height na wanghan bagi koi size na khara pikna lauraga phajina develop tawbagi ne ba. The draft regional plan 2041 for the National Capital Region NCR that would reduce the size of the region while promoting the vertical growth promote tawne ba region na magi size se piktha halakane ba ado draft NCR 2000 draft regional plan 2041 NCR si kaino hani yengasi hai se kai kaino yengasi Draft Regional Plan 2041 NCR GS Paper 2 Government Policies and Interventions siga mari lainai why in news the National Capital Regional Plan Board Planning Board National Capital Regional Planning Board na recently approved Draft Regional Plan 2041 according to which the National Capital Region is likely to reduce in size National Capital Region se NCR se reduce size reduce tawrana bai damakta National Capital Region Planning Board was set up in 1985. National Capital Region Planning Board se NCRPB se set up tawba se 1985% tawi to promote balanced development of NCR and to avoid haphazard development. NCR sibu phajna aikoi National Capital Region sibu phajna balance oine develop tawnaba gi damaktane be and unorganized development sing dagi ngak thoknaba. About new boundaries da kai kai magi draft sida kai kai harakpano new boundary kamaina set tawbano haidi the geographical size of the region will be contiguous circular region of 100 km radius from Rajghat Delhi magi geographical size se Rajghat Delhi se sidagi 100 km radius oigane ba contiguous circular region gi haibani the area in the 100 km radius can be developed as a core area 100 km area se sina core area for development oigani NCR is the region advises in 1985 for coordinated urban development in and around New Delhi 1985 tagi NCR region sida aikoi urban development tawrakani haina haikiba layeba currently the NCR consists of 24 districts in Uttar Pradesh Haryana, Rajasthan and entire Delhi spread across an area of 55,083 square kilometer. Hauzi NCR da 24 district yawi and UP simayam sida 24 districts se karamba state tano UP, Haryana, Rajasthan, Delhi sigi mayam sida nebe area se punna 55,083 square kilometer oi. Empowering state will be empowered to decide whether tehsil that fall part inside the NCR boundaries should remain or not. Magi state sing the empower to uba kai empower to haidi state will be empowered state empower to idudi mana karamagi part to NCR gi boundary manung da thamgadra thamoidra adugi power do mangon de layaba slum free NCR the DRP 2041 plan will pave the way for the future ready slum free National Capital Region with an air ambulance facility and high speed connectivity through heli taxis rail and inland waterways. Slum free NCR draft regional policy 2041 ki plan sida National Capital Region dagi slum free ohenba sineba with air ambulance facility piba high speed connectivity piba road rail inland waterways piba sina chingba plan yawe magi draft DRP 2041 ki plan sida and implication of the move if implemented parts of the Panipat in Haryana and Muzaffarnagar in Uttar Pradesh will be dropped from the new NCR map implement kamain tawgani haidi kaigumba draft to ek olaga implement tawba taragadi Haryana gi parts Panipat and UP gi parts Muzaffarnagar se NCR map tagi lothokineba the idea is to make compact area so that the development can be planned in better manner. It will benefit the rural areas as the state government can plan for their development in the better manner. Draft sigi idea se area se compact oina lawba so development fazna tawba yana bagi damakta aduga sina rural area da su benefit oigane ba rural area da benefit oigane haibadi state government na su area se fazna khaido banina development tawnabagi plan do fazana semaga develop tawba yareba gyan tarni ko next topic amuk tawrasi next topic sina India joined G20 Troika with Indonesia and Italy. India na G20 Troika joined with Indonesia ne Italy ne punna. It is said to take over presidency in 2022. G20 summit se handakna kanana chairman oi haidi kanana presidency oi hairadi handak se Italy ne oiba. Mathang 2022 dana India na presidency oi gani, and next 2023 dana Indonesia na oi gani ba. G20 से करम country यावगे हायरगदी सिगी G20 summit से हंदक तौखिबनी 2021 सिदी इटली ना हेल्थ तौवी इटली सिदा कनो अखोगी इंडिया ना कई प्रॉब्लम पुथोई हायरगदी मागी अफगानिस्तान की फ्यूचर को अफगानिस्तान की इशू से राइज तौवेबा इंडिया ना G20 country से करम यावबनो येंगसी सिदा G7 G8 G20 एना पुलिस से मैम से बोलो नमक पुल्लगा G20 कंट्री ने G7 से हाना G8 ओइरमेबा G8 ओइ G7 ओइ केबेगी मरमदी रशियाना क्रीमिया को रीजन खरे एनेक्स तौ केबे एनेक्सेशन ऑफ क्रीमिया अदुगी मरमना रशिया बो G7 G8 सिदगी लौथोकेबनेबा अदु G7 ओ हेवबनेबा अदु G20 ददी रशिया से पुना यावी कनाडा फ्रांस जर्मनी इटली जापान UK USA अर्जेंटीना ऑस्ट्रेलिया ब्राजील चाइना यूरोपियन यूनियन इंडिया इंडोनेशिया मेक्सिको सऊदी अरेबिया साउथ अफ्रीका साउथ कोरिया टर्की मैम से पुलगना G20 कंट्रीज नेबा गेन तारनी को नेक्स्ट टॉपिक मुक्तरसी नेक्स्ट टॉपिक सिना यूरोपियन यूनियन प्लान 300 बिलियन यूरोस infra fund to counter China's BRI. It aimed to mobilizing public and private investment by 2027. European Union na plan tawe madude akoige 300 billion euros se infrastructure da 2027 handaki chaisida gi 2027 sibaugi manungda aikogi country me amamada fund pigani haina infrastructure ge si karigi no hadi to counter China's Belt and Road Initiative. China gi Belt and Road Initiative so adudagi counter tawna bagi damakta ba. The European Union announced on Wednesday a plan to mobilize 300 billion euro in public and private infrastructure investment around the world, a move seen as a response to China's Belt and Road strategy. China gi Belt and Road strategy dagi counter tawnabagi maramna neba. China gi Belt and Road strategy Belt and Road Initiative BRI hairagadi sai China na atop country mayam da, for example Sri Lanka Pakistan sida China na loan pirani loan se Sri Lanka na so loan sing mangam da na handa emergency oi ko Pakistan di sum oi dana ta lairabani aduna sigumba singmangam da badagi trade monopoly se lauba and other advantages mayam ama lauba China na si mayam sidagi aikogi European Union amasung atop country mayam ama na initiative mayam paikhatleba European Union na sigi counter tawna bagi damakta sigi problem se country sing sida thokan dana bagi damakta 300 billion euro se mateng pangna ba infrastructure development da puthok paneba announce tawkreba dugi China gi Belt and Road Initiative te yawi se countries mayam ga business tawna moi di product se yam da puthoi aduna mai gi product se yona ba top country mayam ga business tawna mai gi damakta transportation gi kan sector se yam develop taweba atop country the Middle East country the transportation develop tawba ko rail road si mayam se develop tawba sidagi European Union and atop country mayam ama sina counter tawna bagi damakta initiative lokhat paneba kyan tarni ko thank you matang sidagi sigi article se loisan jarage aigi video sina mayam da knowledge kitang hengat halabadi video sibu support taw boina like subscribe and share taw view thank you.